Niketa and welcome to our Mind Creative YouTube channel. In our institute, we offer different mind development programs. These programs includes DMIT, Q.S.R, ESP, midbrain, photographic memory, etc. And these workshops are also offered for the children under age 5 years to 15 years. Completing this workshop, children can recognize colors and also read the pages by flipping the book. You can also visit our YouTube channel in which we will be showing you a live demo. After completing these workshops, children can develop their educational skill and also improve their future. Our head office is at Vadodara and our new branch office is now opening in Canada, and you can contact us for more information for franchise opportunity all over India. Hello everyone, welcome to our Mind Creative YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you a live demo of Q.S.R in which he will be reading the pages by flipping the book. So now let's start. What is on the 5th page of this book?
It's Jerry and the gray mouse going through a hole with a flashlight.
And what is the story on that page?
In that page, the story, everything went dark, and Jerry and the gray mouse went to search to go outside and see what happened.
What is on the 2nd page of this book?
Second number page, it's the title saying Tom and Jerry created Tom's new room.
That's all, friends.